weeks. So to me, like, I swear, I came in wanting to like do videos of all the new stuff that's come in, and then that became too much. So I saved what was one of my most favorite that's come in the last couple weeks. But if you're curious, definitely you can go to our website, go to quiltingmayhem.com. We got a whole bunch of Christmas fabric in, Halloween fabric in, we've got kits and pre-cuts, all kinds of new goodies. But I will try to get through and maybe get some videos and stuff for you guys to show you what has been coming in, because there's been a lot. Oh my gosh. But this collection for today is Festive Fauna by Robert Kaufman. Now, I just think this is
so cute.
Adorable. Look at how sweet. You know, I'm a sucker for cute fox, cute little squirrels. You know, it's just kind of that folksy holiday. It's not really Christmas. It's, you know, it's more just holiday. It doesn't have to be Christmas. But look at how cute those guys are. Little owls hiding in there, some fox. Oh, this one, let's see. Well, I guess I should tell you what they're called. This one just says Festive Fauna in snow. And the first one was natural. Apparently they're not giving, sometimes each print has its own name. Robert Kaufman apparently decided not to, which is fine. And like I said, if you go to the website, you can type Festive Fauna and it will show you the entire collection. So this is just this lovely snowflake print. And this one's natural, and it is not, it doesn't look like it's metallic. And it doesn't seem to be coated for metallic. So it has that look without having the metallic coating, which is nice, because I know a lot of people do not like having the metallic coating. And then this is a really tight kind of snowflake look, star look, super cute. Now this collection is definitely what I would say is kind of in that more, you know, medium to smaller scale, which is kind of nice. A lot of times, you know, you get those patterns and those pieces, you know, if you're working in 2.5 inch strips, 3 inch squares, you don't want your print getting too big. So here's that overall print in the blue background, and it's got some of these lovely lavenders in there. A little mushroom, look at the little squirrel with a present, oh my gosh. Like I said, I love this one, but I did also order it too, so you know, might be why it came in. It's the fun part of my job. So there's this print in that blue background, and then we've got snowflakes in blue. And look, they are multicolor snowflakes in blue, and then this kind of snowflake star print also in blue. Look at how cute this selvage is. I mean, selvages are just getting stinking adorable. Then we have this kind of poinsettia print in a darker green. Currently shedding on it, you know, that's how it goes. This gorgeous deeper green, kind of a emerald or evergreen. Then you've got the critters in the green. And you know, you don't have to just do quilts with this. You could do garments, you could do a bag. Look at these trees. They're so much fun. Bags would be cute, your little holiday pouches, gift bags. Get started on your holiday season now, people. Every year, I tell you.
Wine bottle bags.
Wine bottle bags.
Yeah.
Debbie's got all the good ideas. Snowflake in red. I do like that one. This is kind of fun to give gifts in a reusable bag versus so much waste from all the paper. And then that snowflake print. And of course, you know, home decor. You can make placemats, you can do mug rugs, all kinds of fun gifty ideas. You know, like I was saying, Christmas in July, it's coming, it's a thing. Get going now, because nobody likes being in that holiday crunch at the end of the year going, oh yeah, and I was going to make for my Aunt Martha, and I was going to do this, and you have that whole list, and you're trying to do all the other things at the same time. So that's why we get stuff in early, so you can get a head start, get going, and, you know, absolutely, you know, make sure you jump on these, because when they're gone, they're gone. We don't replace them. We're kind of one and done with a lot of our collection, especially holiday stuff, because we get so much in, we try to rotate through it as quickly as possible. So make sure if you love it, you grab it, because like this, Apparently we're down to just a 1 yard cut of this. Is a lovely, they call theirs a deluxe, but this is what I would call a cuddle, a minky, very low pile, super soft, and we just have a remnant of it left. That's all that's left, and we've only had this for like I think a week, maybe 2. So this is why you got to jump on it when it gets here, because it goes fast. All right, so hopefully it's maybe something fun you like. Otherwise, we have all kinds of others. I will try to, like I said, get you some videos, show you, because there's at least 4 other Christmas collections to choose from that have already come into the store, and it's only mid-June. You know, we're not even to July. So check out the website or come see us. Of course, we're here. We'll gladly help you with projects, those kinds of things. Make sure you're on our social media, on our Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, YouTube, all those things where we try to keep you inspired and educated. And we hope you have a lovely day. Keep on stitching.